it's Sugarpro Lexy, and I just got my new sugar haul. This one says, I'm probably thinking about dance, which is pretty spot on. And remember, not all sugar hauls are the exact same, but they're all filled with amazing dance stuff that you need in your dance bag. So let's see what's in my sugar haul. So the first thing in here are these super cute makeup sponges. You've got the blue one and the pink one, and these are perfect for blending in your foundation and giving you that natural glow. Next thing in here are these bath bombs. These are super fun to use and super relaxing. These ones are Sunblast and Earthling. So these are awesome to like watch dissolve in the water. Just super cool. So I'm excited to use these. Now we have this pink makeup brush. So I'm gonna use this for my blush, my setting powder, literally everything because it's super, super soft. So I'm really excited to use this, and I think you'll be too. Next we have this hand sanitizer. It says dance it out, and it's made so that you can put it on your dance bag or your purse or really anything, just so you can carry it around and keep it with you so you don't get sick and you can use it at any time. The last thing in here is this pink sugar scarf, which is going to come in handy because it is super cold outside. And even though you're freezing your butt off, you can still look super cute in your new sugar scarf. So that's what was in my sugar haul. And if you want to start getting your sugar haul delivered right to your door, go subscribe to sugarhaul.com and follow at sugarhaulco and at Lexy_Lynn on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys later. Bye.